Hey everybody, I just want to do a video to show an example of something. Say there are two manufacturing plants. The objective is to build a nice, affordable, four-door, self-charging electric car. Which plant will finish first? Plant 1. It's based on the 1582 AD Old Gregorian calendar system. It has 20 associates. 4 of them speak English, 4 speak French, 4 speak Spanish, 4 speak Russian, and 4 speak Chinese. They have 20 different religions: Christian, Hindu, Buddhist, Islam, atheist, agnostic, etc. Just a mix of religions. And they want to use different accounting rules. One wants Q1 in January, the first business quarter, and one wants the Q1 in June, and one wants Q1 in October. And then the people are mixed with heterosexual, bisexual, gay, and transgender people. So on day 1, they try to get the vehicle built. Out of all the confusion to communicate, frustration sets in. There starts to be arguments over control, and then an associate murders another associate. So one associate's gone, and one is caught up in the courts. So now we're down 2 associates. Other associates are wasting time talking about the murder incident, and due to the different religions, they argue over which days to take off for rest. So then there is more arguing, but due to the multiple languages, a lot of associates get frustrated, and 4 associates quit. Now down to 14 associates. So now 2 or more associates get tasked with trying to hire more associates. Now down to 12 associates. And they're all standing around staring at each other. After a while, more arguments erupt and more people get hurt. Operating costs are going up. So meanwhile, at plant number 2, that one's based on the modern New Jerusalem calendar system. I'll put a link in the comments to it so you can see it. It has 20 associates. All 20 speak American English. All 20 are New Jerusalem Christians. The first business quarter is Q1, and that's March, April, May. All 20 are part of heterosexual dad-mom type families. So on day 1, management, engineering, production, and shipping departments have a meeting to discuss building a nice, affordable, 4-door self-charging electric vehicle. Engineering then designs the vehicle, parts are ordered, then goes to production to be built. Then it is put on sale for the public, and because the associates are paid well at their jobs, they can all buy a couple cars for their families, and since they did such a good, fast, efficient job, the car is affordable. There wasn't much waste, not like in the other plant where they got a lot of waste going on, which drives operating costs up. So the conclusion, basically plant 1 is an example of planet Earth. It's got multiple languages, multiple religions, multiple business accounting rules and other stuff, and with all the nations on the 1582 AD Old Gregorian calendar system. So now you can see why the Old Gregorian system is so inefficient and has so many shootings, and the makes costs of everything go up. So if we did the plant 2 as an example, what mankind can accomplish by simply being united as one, like Jesus says, it's in the Bible, it's simple. I'll put a link to the New Jerusalem calendar in the comments. So hope you enjoyed the video. Talk to you later.